Multiple regression analysis with Python. The objective of this course is for you to learn multiple regression analysis main concepts from a basic to an expert level while you practice with stocks, rates, prices, and macroeconomic data using Python programming language as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to define multiple regression dependent, independent variables and calculate their descriptive statistics, analyze multiple regression statistics, analysis of variance and regression coefficients, evaluate and correct multiple regression correct specification, no linear dependence, and correct functional form, assess and correct multiple regression residuals no autocorrelation, homoscedasticity, and normality, and test multiple regression forecasting accuracy by comparing it with random walk and arithmetic mean benchmarks for regression error metrics. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate who wants to learn about multiple regression analysis using Python programming language. You're an academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in data science, applied statistics, economics, econometrics, or quantitative finance. You're a business data scientist who desires to apply this knowledge in areas such as consumer analytics, finance, banking, healthcare, e-commerce, or social media.